Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll practice 6 essential hotel English conversations you can use when traveling abroad. From checking in to ordering breakfast and checking out, we've got you covered. Each conversation is simple, practical, and easy to follow. So, let's get started and make your next hotel stay much easier in English. Hotel check-in.
Good evening, I have a reservation under the name Emily.
May I see your passport and credit card, please?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. You booked a double room for 2 nights, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Would you like a smoking or non-smoking room?
Non-smoking, please. And is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. on the 2nd floor.
Perfect. Could I also get the Wi-Fi password?
Of course, it's written on the key card holder. Enjoy your stay.
Asking for hotel services.
Hello, can I get some extra towels, please?
Of course, how many do you need?
2 towels, please.
No problem, we'll bring them to your room.
Thank you so much.
Is there anything else you need?
Yes, can I have some bottled water?
Sure, how many bottles would you like?
2 bottles, please.
Certainly, we'll send them right away.
Changing rooms because of noise.
Hello, I'm staying in room 502.
Welcome, how can I help you today?
My room is very noisy at night.
I'm sorry about that.
Could I change to a quieter room?
Let me check, we have one available on the 7th floor.
That sounds good. Is it a double room?
Yes, it's the same type, just on a higher floor.
Perfect, I'll take it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, I'll prepare the new key for you now.
Ordering eggs at a hotel breakfast.
Could I have some eggs, please?
Good morning, how would you like them cooked?
An omelet, please.
Sure, what would you like inside?
What options do you have?
Cheese, ham, onions, tomatoes, and mushrooms.
Great, please add everything.
All ingredients, right?
Yes, everything, please.
Perfect, I'll have it ready in a few minutes.
Ordering room service.
Hello, is this room service?
Yes, this is room service, how can I help you?
I'd like to order some food, please.
Sure, what would you like to have?
Can I get a cheeseburger and fries?
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, a Coke, please.
No problem, what is your room number?
It's room 502.
Thank you, your order will arrive in about 30 minutes.
Hotel checkout.
Good morning, I'd like to check out, please.
Good morning, may I have your room number?
It's room 502.
One moment, please, did you have anything from the minibar?
No, I didn't.
Alright, your total is $200.
Can I pay by card?
Of course, please insert your card here.
Here you go.
Thank you, here's your receipt, have a nice trip.
Great job, everyone. Now you've learned 6 useful hotel English conversations. Practice these phrases, and you'll feel more confident on your next trip. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel English videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.